Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Font Awesome kits for web UI styling. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type Font Awesome and hit enter. Click on the official Font Awesome website link. Once on the home page, locate the Start for Free button and click it. You will be redirected to a new page where you can sign up for a free account. Fill in the required information, including your name and email address. Create a strong password and confirm it. After completing the form, click the Sign Up button. Check your email for a confirmation message from Font Awesome. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to activate your account. Return to the Font Awesome website and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Kits section in your account dashboard. Click on the New Kit button to create a new kit. Give your kit a meaningful name that reflects its purpose. Select the options for your kit, such as the icons you want to include. After customizing your kit, click on the Create Kit button. On the next page, you will see a unique kit code. Copy this code as you will need it for your web project. Now, head to your web project file. Open the HTML file where you want to implement Font Awesome. Paste the kit code in the head section of your HTML document. Save the changes to your HTML file. To use Font Awesome icons, open the body section of your HTML. Insert the desired icon using the I tag along with the appropriate classes. Preview your web page in a browser to see the Font Awesome icons in action. If you need additional icons, return to your kit and manage your selections. That's it. Your web UI styling is now enhanced with Font Awesome icons. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.